guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Omi. And this is Elle. And today's video, we're going to explore the forest. Let's go. So we are now here to the forest. This is Errol.
And there's the forest.
He's funny. And that's funny. Let's go.
Our big kuya. And let's go.
We are now walking to the forest of the world, and this is we are going there to the cornfield.
Yes.
And that is
That's
so,
pretty good.
So crazy.
And
We're
there's
going
so many
there.
chickens.
Pagdarong mo. We're going
forest.
straight ahead. Not there. There's so many. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here. We go here to the land. Ouch. Oh my god. The land. Oh no. What do we do now? Let's go split away. Oh my god, guys. This is so crazy. We're doing this. It's cool. We're now here to the forest of exploration.
Yes, guys.
And let's go run because there's a zombie. He's running like crazy. We're now here, guys. Watch till the end. Do not skip the video. It's gonna be fun.
Yes, guys.
Ouch! Ano ba yung namaak? Ew. Lapok na naman. Putik. We're here to the exploration of the world. That's the valley.
And there's
It's good, right? We came here all the way.
the valley.
Yeah.
So there's dogs there, like our dog.
Hey Patrick, where are we going? Asa tapadong eh? Asa tapadong? Oh, that's the way there.
So guys, doon na tayo sa daan ng pasukan ng mga merong parts doon. Kasi, alam nyo guys, hindi na mamalong namin.
We're now here to the cornfield. Oh my god, it's not cornfield. It's banana field. Oh no, guys.
Yes, guys.
And it's mossy here.
Let's see here.
Super
Mati,
messy.
mati.
Hey, look, si Garelias. Ay, walang bunga ang sigarilyas, guys. Sorry. Ay, ano bang ginagawa natin dito? Yan, oh.
Walang pagkain guys, sumaliligid. Ngayon na sila, sumaliligid tayo.
Ano? We're going to the river. Let's go, guys. So, hey guys, we're back again. We're going to the river.
Yes.
And please subscribe, like, and share. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay, guys, ngayon, punta na tayo sa river. Tara.
Tama, tama.
Oh my God.
Talakulan.
The step is steppy. Ah. Ay,
So, marami mga daon dito.
iba mo English. Oh my God. I hope the snake is not here. And I'm not sure if this place is haunted. Look at the butterfly. What do we do? And where do we go? There, straight to the point. Yeah, right. We're going. Whoa! It's slimy. Oh my God! This is the river.
Yes.
Oh my God! Please don't kill us. I hope. Where do we go? Here, here. When will this way go? Uy, asa ni nga? Daan pa to. Ato. Okay guys, we're going now. Ouch, my ouch. Oh my God. Oh my God. The river is right there. We're going to swim. It's just a God. Look at the water. Oh my God, it's so many
There's a
tadpoles.
small fish.
That's not a fish, yes, tadpole.
Oh.
Oh my God. What the place.
Nakakaki naman ni Kuya Patrick.
Di ba anit sa anit itong isod na pagsako itong iro di labay. Okay guys, we're going home now because there are ritual persons here. Oh my God! Oh my God! We're going home! Hoy, tinuod bitaw, hoy. Naay murag mga tao nga ritual ba? We're going home now, guys. Oh my God, guys. That's super crazy. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Ito. Murag kultuan. God, guys, we're going home. We feel scared now, guys. Let's go, guys. Tara, guys. Uwi na kami, guys.
Pagpado na magsasaka pa na nakauwi.
Oh my God, guys. Ano ba yung nakita namin?
Ano ba yun?
Sus, kung nandun kayo.
Ay, ba't ikaw dumadagan ng malaka? Malaka.
Oh my God, guys.
Kailan yung jowa mo na?
Sige, guys.
Ha?
Punta tayo sa ano?
Ibabaw.
Sa ibaba.
Kasi marahag na.
Sa babaw.
Nambit din na.
Yeah.
Wait.
Let's go, guys. Oh my God, guys. May mga lagming kahoy daw dyan. Let's go, guys. We can't wait to see, guys. Oh my God, guys. We're here. Wow.
Wow.
Ang ganda po dito, guys. Parang enchanted. Pero bakit ang hugaw? Ang dumi. Maputik.
At meron daraan.
Sorry, guys, kung ngayon po kami naka-vlog kasi kagahapon lobat po kami.
Meron puno yung bahayan.
Wow, ang gandang view. Errol, magkano jowa mo?
Tatlo.
Patrick, magkano jowa mo?
5.
Sana all may jowa. Uwi na po kami ngayon, guys. Oh my God. Ano ba yung nakita namin sa river?
Oo. Mukhang siyang black lady.
Oo nga. Parang mga ano? Mga baliw. Mga baliw na tao eh. Huh? Ano ba yun?
Sinat, meron dugo, diba?
Opo.
Ano ito? Bahay to?
Uy, huwag kang ganyan. Hindi natin alam yan.
Oo.
Oh my God, guys. Hindi niyo po mapaniwala yung video namin.
Meron
Oh my
tumingin.
God.
Meron tumingin.
Oh my God.
Meron tumingin.
Ngayon, umuwi na po kami. God, ano ba yung ginagawa natin doon? Ouch. Ah, aray. Ang chaket. Hala, oo. Dito ako. May baboy po dito, guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo. May baboy po dyan. Ang dami, no? Pero ang baho. Umuwi na po kami. Guys, grabe yung explore natin.
Ay, salamat.
Uwi na kami. Hi guys! Oh, na-skip mo yung video, no? Okay guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos and updates. Bye! Say bye!